Good morning, everybody. This is what the house currently looks like. It is snowing still. I don't know if you guys can even see it, but it is currently a snowstorm. Suppose. What is that guy doing? You guys see the guy running? He's running in the middle of the street. Random. In jeans, so I would assume that he's not running for fun. Supposedly this is Snowstorm Janice or something like that. It's supposed to be snowing for about 12 hours straight, start around 7 a.m. It's supposed to be 7 to 10 inches. An abrupt snowstorm. Hub's at work, and he took the Range Rover because, of course, it's snowing. And, yeah, so we're trapped in the house. I'm gonna make... What do you think I'm about to make? Pancakes, of course. My sister-in-law picked up the complete pancake mix, and I'm gonna make some of that and wash the bottles. There's some sort of furry bear out in the snow. He's been lounging out there for like 30 minutes. He has snow up in his hair. Do you want to come inside? Cold? Come inside. Come inside. Come in. Come in. Thank you. He's such an indecisive fool. Don't know what to do with. Your turn. Not good at all. There are pancakes ready, but she would rather eat some of her food pouches. I actually got the reusable ones that are a little different because she can't really suck. She has to kind of squeeze because they're called squeeze-ums. Squeeze-ums, yeah. And I have some apple pear puree I made in there. Same thing I feed Mia. Yeah? I made a really fancy ramen today too. There's my usual bok choy. I put pork balls, and then there's a fried egg at the bottom with some of the meat that you would usually put in pho since we had leftover meat. Let's see if I can stir it for you guys. So there's the fried egg and the meat.
I've never had sushi like this before.
Clink.
Oh, thank you. So listen.
So I just filled up 2 cups, or I filled 1 cup with water and I gave her the other cup, and then I pour a little bit at a time from my cup and just pretend like I'm drinking. Mia went down for a nap, and I had to reheat my ramen because the kids were driving me nuts. Because the Apple TV remote is missing, and when the house, even if they're not watching, no. We don't pour water on baby. No. Just trying to feed her baby doll. When the house is quiet, like, they act a fool. Plus, Mia was a little tired, so. Even if they're not watching, like, she's not watching right now, they like background noise. And I was like, God, I lost the Apple TV remote, like, a couple days ago, so I'm tethering it off of her iPad right now. But reheated ramen is not that tasty. Just not. Luckily, I just cracked open my soda, and now my headache can go away. Baby kiss?
Yes. Check his phone. What?
Hug baby? Baby can't drink Wawa. It's funny, Ava always puts her into the high chair, even though there's like a fake high chair that's over there, the little pink thing, but it doesn't fit her because it's not an American Girl high chair, and the baby's like too thick, I guess, or not soft enough. So she's like eating cereal, and then she goes over and like feeds her the cereal. Look who's on Zulily. Pearhead. It's the brand I showed you guys at Babies R Us with the little ornaments and keepsakes and stuff like that. I'm also, I'll show you guys what's in my basket. I'm also looking at this top 100 finger foods for babies and toddlers. It's $6, so. And then these cute little boots for Ava, I think I'm considering. And then they have really cute wall decals. They have growth charts and like chevron and stuff like that. And these are like really affordable. So that's what I'm looking at right now. It's one of the, these are all the new events for today. No, that's not a real cup that has holes. Where's your cup? That cup has holes in it. Where's your cup? Where's your yellow cup? You just had it, okay. I guess not. Also trying to figure out what to get Taylor, my niece, for her birthday. Her birthday's tomorrow, the 22nd of January. She's turning 3, and her party's this weekend. And then Ava, exactly a week from today, because they're 6 days apart, a year and 6 days apart. Ava turns 2 in a week from today. My baby. My baby. But yeah, so Taylor's party's this weekend, and hers is at Chuck E. Cheese, and then mine's next weekend, and it's, you know, obviously Ava's party, not my party, and it's at my gym, so it should be fun. I gotta figure out what to get Taylor, because Taylor can destroy everything. She is like the toughest child I've ever met. She figures out how to make everything violent. Like, she took apart a TV and started like stabbing the TV with the sticks. So I gotta figure out what to get her. Wait. I'm awake now, guys, and I'm so happy. I was really angry because I was tired. Now I'm gonna do some work. Do work, son. I love it in her 2-piece pajamas. Makes her look so grown. Oh, that's why we have a bib. That's exactly why. I always put these bibs, the ones that's like my dad's cooler than your dad, my mom's hotter than your mom, because they fit a little better on her because of the rim. The other ones are a little too big, so I try to keep her in these as much as possible, aside from, of course, when they're dirty. Me. Yeah. Oh. Baby down. Kiss the belly. Look, your sister's gonna play her alphabet thing. It's gonna project onto the TV. This is Endless Reader. Oh, we also have Endless Alphabet. Endless Reader has like sentences and stuff, and it's free. Endless Alphabet is not. But see, Endless Reader, you have to pay for extra words, and then Endless Alphabet, you just pay for the app, which is $5. So in the end, you end up spending $5. So, I have 2 of the same pairs of lashes from Esquito. They used to be known as mink lashes. Now they changed their name to Esquito lashes, but they still have the same like rose gold packaging. It's just a lot bigger now. But these lashes are gorgeous. I got them a couple weeks ago. And they gave me a 15% off coupon code, which is a lot higher than any of the other coupon codes that I've seen around. They only usually have on their website right here 5% off. So if you want to use my coupon code, I will type it out. And I'm actually going to be giving away a pair of these on my Instagram today. I think the picture's already up by the time this vlog's up. So if you're interested, check it out. So Ava's in Mia's crib and she is mad because she thinks we're putting her to sleep in there. It's her nap time anyway. So we're unboxing Ava's mattress. And Hubs just got home. Goopster. I know, it's nap time. Don't cry.
Poke a hole and it should get air.
So cranky. Like 4 hours exactly after she wakes up. I know. We're trying to set up your new bed, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 What? Yeah, see? You can let us set it. That's your bed. Do you like it? Then what the heck? What the hell? Why did she get that? Did I get this? Okay, let mommy put the sheet on it.
Grab that bag.
Your bed.
It's your bed. It's your bed.
This is your gift day, gooby gooby gift day, gooby gooby gift day, gooby gooby gift day. Twerk team, twerk team. Crazy girl.
Can you bring up an outfit for this?
Yeah, bring her up an outfit and a new bib. So I need to, well, their clothes are in that room now. I completely forgot. I need to wake up Ava. You guys didn't get to see me put her down in her new bed for her nap. Shine! There she is. There she is. Yeah, I'm shining the light just so they can see you. You guys missed out on a lot. I actually read her like bedtime stories or nap time stories and everything. Do you like your bed? It's okay. Hi, Pookie Bear. Huh? You don't like that? Come on. You can get up. I gotta get a new outfit for your sister. How about this? Yeah, you like it? I let her have my blanket because I didn't have time to change her pillow to her new pillowcase, and that's the blanket that she's used to, so she liked it. I need to bring their diaper changing stuff in here. Very nice. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Dog. Okay, let's go. Take your time. You need help? Hand? You don't want help? Okay. It's kind of hard to film this. Safety first. Yep, foot. Foot. Another foot. Good job. She hangs onto the railing. Okay, crazy. Beautiful. Okay, careful, my camera's on it.
Mia's like, I want camera time. I want camera time too.
Hello there. So it's 7 something at night. We're gonna go hang out at my parents' house for a little bit because, like I said, Taylor's birthday is tomorrow. So we're gonna spend some time tonight hanging out with them. Taylor, my sister, my parents. My mom's gonna shower Ava. Most likely she's gonna ask to shower Mia too because it's his grandparent thing. Mia is right here in her car seat playing with Gary. Hubs just took Ava to the car. I packed my big old bag of everything. Literally, my computer and stuff's in here too, so I can do some editing. 2 bottles for Mia. Oh, my sister requested sheet mask, clay mask, my brush drying shape, my brush cleanser, pretty much everything. She even asked if I could make her some macarons. I was like, I would, but that would delay me 2 more hours. So, I got no time to make macarons right now. And I only have 1 macaron left upstairs from what I made on Sunday. Saturday. Sunday. Nope, it was Sunday. Okay. Yeah, so macarons don't last very long. Usually 48 hours max. Here, and I made 2 batches. Ready, Goobs? I'm ready. Here comes Daddy. It's a winter wonderland. Look, it's sparkly. And it's funny because my father-in-law just shoveled this whole area right here and the steps less than 2 hours ago, and it's completely covered again. So yeah, let's do up close shot of the snow. How pretty! Shot it going, shot it going. If you learned anything, don't get a Mercedes. Hub is gonna go help the guy. He's stuck. Got no traction. Get it, get it, get it, get it. You can do it. His car is swinging. We're getting gas right now, and there's like a bunch of, I don't know if you guys can even see it. If you look straight through the pump, there's a bunch of salt plowed trucks here. There's like 4, and then some guy left his car at the gas station. The hells. I think we're the only people right now who are just like, let's go drive a 30-40 mile trip for fun. While everyone else is just like, ugh. I'm telling you, SUVs, guys. If you do not have SUVs, do not venture out. Do not.
Of course, I wondered about money.
I wish you guys could see Hub's face right now. He's just like, I wish you guys could see, like, he's really sliding. And then someone actually went through the barrier of the hot lanes and, like, smashed. And then they got all these rear wheel drive cars out here. Some dude hit the median, lost his bumper. Someone else, like, spun out and hit into the median as well. So, yes, this is what we got going on. There's a bunch of like 18-wheelers and tour buses for some reason. Dang, Taylor. You got caught trying to steal a donut. Hi, baby. Bubble, bubble, got these
I need a pit stop at your work.
Potty! Oh, Gooby. The goop's there. Aww. Aww. Hi, birthday girl. You got caught. She was smiling for a second, then she saw me turn on the camera.
Wait, go.
She said, wait, thug life, thug life. Thug life. Uh-huh. Okay. Hello, Paul. Yes, I like your jacket.
Look at my eye.
I know, he's having an allergic reaction to dust.
Which one?
Hey, Dad, I like your jacket. What did he say?
I heard bingo and ho ho ho.
Oh. Sorry, he never knows the words to anything. What is it? Oh, lovely. Crayon. You're so fat. Crayon. Crayon, can I pet you?
Don't.
You scare the crap out of me. I approved. I got approved. Static electricity. So fat.